Burnout is real, y'all, and recently I had one of the biggest one in my life. So I want to share it with you guys right now. I know the pandemic is now almost over. Cross our fingers. And it was a hard time for everyone. But man, let me tell you that for my first time ever in the medical field, I witnessed joy and optimism be replaced with uncertainty and complete darkness. I kept thinking, what happened to the days where treating urgent yet treatable conditions like asthma attacks, broken bones, pneumonia, and everything in between was the norm? The days when I'd go into the hospital knowing every day would be a little bit different, always a challenge, and undoubtedly rewarding. Besides work being so demanding, it started to affect my mental health. It made me think about my career, my family, and so many things in my life. For the first time ever, I started to think about alternatives to being a hospitalist. Burnout leads to us having interpersonal conflicts, physical symptoms, decreased productivity, and negative emotions. Right now, it is still not a walk in the park. There are days that the feeling of giving up is very much present. And when this happens, I try to practice gratitude. I try to remind myself that it's temporary. I try to realize that this is a natural part of growth. And I try to look back and count my achievements. So, days that we feel overwhelmed and can't juggle it all will come. But don't emerge from this feeling. Take a minute to breathe. Do something for yourself, even if you think you don't have time for it. Because at the end of the day, you are your most important thing. And if you are not well, you will not be able to solve any problem or take care of anything or anyone. I hope this video was helpful to you, despite if you are in the healthcare field or not. Are you ready to put yourself first? Comment the word me below. And don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe, and all of the above so together we can help others. Thank you so much, and I will see you again next time.